Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. Welcome to City Chat, a brand new show and your one-stop shop for infotainment. Be it buzzing news, food, fashion, fitness, education, entertainment, hospitality, or thoda sa hot gossip bhi. You name it and you get it right here and right now. With me, आपकी host और दोस्त Ritu. So today's episode is going to be very interesting. So even before we start our mesmerizing episode of today, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Well, I was thinking, how do I introduce our today's guest on the show? Because it is difficult to describe a magnificent and a charming personality like hers in a few words or sentences. Nevertheless, let me give it a try. She is a super talented model, a socialite, celebrity guest on a talent show, achiever of many prestigious awards, including the honorary doctorate from Panama Central America. She is also a brand ambassador and brand face to several brands. She is a traveler. She is also a practitioner of yoga. The list will go on and on. So without much ado, let's put our hands together for none other than the first runner-up of Miss India Asia Pacific, Dr. Sudha Jain. Welcome to the show, ma'am. It's a huge pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much.
So how are you doing today, ma'am?
Oh, today's a great day, and I'm just waiting for the evening because I just want to meet you. So I'm really happy with you right now.
It's an honor, ma'am. It's an honor. Thank you so much for saying that. It means a lot. So, ma'am, before we jump up on a ride, a mesmerizing ride today, I would like to explain about the segments that we have in our show. The first segment is Light It Up Sudha, wherein we'll get to hear your wonderful story so far, and it will be an honor to hear it. The second round will be the Fast and Furious Rapid Fire round, wherein we'll be asking you, few firing questions, and I'm sure we'll be getting more firing answers from you. So,
Definitely.
shall we start, ma'am?
Yep.
So the first round is Light It Up Sudha, which you're already lighting. So, ma'am, please tell us about your inspiring journey and achievements.
Ritu, actually, we both belong to one segment that is a womanism. And I tell you one thing, if I, want to talk about my glamour field of journey, I will be completing 8 years and looking forward for many more and more. And as a show coach, I design shows, and my shows won India Book of Record and Asia Book of Record touched. And but this journey actually started, I won't say this is a luck, but I must say that yes, I took that opportunity. And yes, people used to say that yes, you got a very expressive face, so why not you express our designer outfit or creativity of jewelry, because people usually think that oh, very beautiful dress. No, it's not like that, just a beautiful dress, because when a designer design a dress, some story behind that. So if a person who is portraying that dress, and that expression is showing that story of a designer, I mean, एक successful model वही होता है, because nowadays I know height is considerable, but if you are expressive, there is a lot of areas, where you can be work as a model. So this happened with me, and I got a very good opportunity from a very well-known designer, and he said me that, can you explore my organzas, and you are looking very bubbly kind of a thing. And I said, me and I love clothing, मतलब Ritu, I just tell you, मतलब मुझे कपड़ों से प्यार है.
So कौन है जिसको कपड़ों से प्यार नहीं है, मुझे बताइए. And
that's true. So just I started exploring that thing, and yes, I took a risk. I went to the workshop and I tried that. He don't want any makeup or anything, and touch wood, I got a good skin, and then journey started. And then I won few pageants, and finally Asia pageant, and I represent India in an Asian country. And you won't believe, I never thought that, my dad used to say me that I'm very good as a student and NCC student also. So my dad used to think that might be I'll be, IAS वगैरह कुछ topic पे जाएगी हमारी बेटी. And suddenly things change, and one day my dad said me that कि हमारी बात हुई थी बच्चा की आपके फोटोज कहीं पब्लिश होने चाहिए. Might be he's thinking that कि मतलब IS या कुछ ऐसा रहेगा तो न्यूज़पेपर में फोटोज रहेंगे and everything. And my first hoarding in Hyderabad, and then second day that two hoardings on northern side Mussoorie and deep southern Bangalore within 2 days. And I called up my dad and I said, "Photo का बात हुआ था dad. कैसे लगेगा कि वो बात नहीं हुआ था. Photo लगी है."
And I'm sure your dad must be on cloud nine then.
Good nine. He is my. He was like my mentor, my first boyfriend, my teacher, my dad, my mom and dad. Like my mom took a lot of effort on me, and my dad is like a biggest critic of mine. And yes, then my journey started for modeling, and one by one project I started taking that. So right now I'm already work with a lot of designers, a lot of brands, a lot of brands, hoarding phase and album phase, and my in-house show Paroksh won India Book of Record, which is telecast worldwide. And I design shows with one kind of a motive that Indianism should be there. And I'm also associated with a lot of NGOs and designing for their NGOs,
Like we are the outsiders. We see everything on the screen and we enjoy it. It's the glamour industry is all glitz and glamour, but you are the insider. So for the strugglers out there, can you share a struggles that you must have faced, ups and downs? How should they, come up with all those, and how should they actually fight and be the winner like you are?
Oh, thank you so much, compliment, Ritu. I must say one line here: struggle. Once our next generation also, I'm talking not right now, also next generation also, we make it one thing. Oh, thoda sa struggle hai, thoda sa struggle kar lo, then you get a fruit. You know, thoda sa push kar lo apne aap ko, you will get benefit in the future. The first thing which every parent, and especially mom, uh, had to change struggle word. This is not struggle. It's a learning process.
Beautiful.
It's a learning process. And yes, in a common language, if you want to, ask me, yes, there is a ups and down. There is a lot of struggle in this field also. And being a married woman, being, starting from, a different background, that also affect in this industry. But I always taken like that, this is not a struggle, this is a learning point for me. So if you are facing this thing that yes, you are not getting that much of, attention, or we should call as a bhav, right? If you're not getting that much of attention, or you are,
you are like super fit. So what is your secret mantra for staying fit now?
I'm like my that super fit kind of thing that meeting happy soul like you. So this is a one secret.
Thank you for saying that.
Yes, I mean it. I mean it. When you are meeting with, a happy soul, positive auras people, and, you spend your time not only just for the gossiping, and if you're doing gossiping also only for the fun sake, it's not that creating issues. So indirectly and directly, hormones release in your body, or that, vibes happen nearby you, that make you fit, that make you energetic. And yes, I take care of few things. I won't eat few things after 4 p.m. because the digestive system becomes slow after 4 p.m. So थोड़ी मैं skip करती हूँ 4 p.m. के बाद. But otherwise, I'm into mudras, and the best thing which I believe that कि आप जब भी कुछ खा रहे हो, मेरे लिए वो अच्छा है, ये सोचकर आप खाइए. Nothing will be gonna be spoil your fitness.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, with mudra, our next question is also on mudra. So what mudras do you follow? We know that you are an ardent practitioner of yoga mudras. So what mudras do you really follow? And specifically more related to today's stressful times, and how to get a beautiful skin like yours.
Thanks for compliment. I think nowadays that water reduction because of work schedule is one of the major problem for your skin and hair. So I think I daily do this Varun mudra as a kind of this is that thing actually. Okay. Yeah. So indirectly, that water reduction in your body is like totally fulfilled by this mudra. And अगर आप 5 to 7 minutes अगर ये मुद्रा कर पाती हैं and it extend to the 15 minutes, you yourself notice that the texture of your this thing, because right now I'm not applying any kind of makeup on my skin, just kajal and lipstick and yes, kajal also is a homemade. I want to share that also.
Wow.
And still I'm into this. Yes, my mom is a very good into Ayurveda side, and yeah, still kajal ki dibbi in my cupboard from
All
here
natural,
to abroad.
nothing artificial. It's all natural. When the world is moving towards artificial thing, you are like the natural thing that right there.
So I'll show you. This is प्राण मुद्रा.
Okay.
Is stress level आपका बहुत कम कर देता है. Even your वायु मुद्रा, this one. We used to say like beautiful, right? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So this is number is that कि oh, it's looking app good लग रहा है. So this is
The science behind it.
traveling. Yeah,
So it's the science behind it.
yeah, science behind it. आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो. Oh, it's yummy. It looking yum. It looking tasty. Oh, stylish लग रहा है. So this is nothing. This was this one. And आप कार में travel कर रहे हो and अगर you are not driving, you can do this at any time. And just close your eyes and this much is enough. This is the solution for all of things. Even weight reduction ke liye bhi, you can go with this.
Okay, much needed, madam. Okay, that's super.
Yeah, nothing. This is science actually. As per acupressure, this is your leg and this is your hands, right? And this is your head and this is your tummy. So what we used to do for this weight reduction is like we touch our feet, right?
Right.
This is one of exercise for that. So we are doing that only by sitting.
Wow.
So
I
this
didn't
thing
know that all these things are even possible. That's actually a fun fact for me. These are all eye-opening things for me as well. Beautiful. I'm sure everybody is going to get benefited from this interview.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, so moving on, I was like pretty curious to know what exactly was going on in your mind when Miss India Asia Pacific titles were being announced and you were like standing right there on the podium in the center. How was the feeling? What exactly was going on in your mind?
I don't want to say a lie to you. See, when announcements are going on, heartbeat was too high. No doubt for that. And a corner of my mind is going on that ki Sudhajan, Sudhajan, Sudhajan. Okay, that's going on. I don't want to hide that. But one more thing is going on. Like one corner of in my heart is going on that his name is Sudhajan, his name is Sudhajan, and simultaneously in a corner of a second point is going on that if not Sudhajan, then might be I learned so much here because very beautifully, organized that program, that show. And it's like 10 to 12 days we are with them. So learned a lot of things there. And I just thought that कि जो भी इतना सीखा है ना यहाँ पे, I gonna be execute that.
So it was amazing, ma'am. All the questions, they were pretty amazing. So one last question in this segment. any message for all the women out there? From a woman to a woman.
Ritu, actually, I want to say that every woman is beautiful is an old quote. Every woman is beautiful. Yes, it's true. But you are beautiful. You must know that. That is a new segment from my side, actually. आप खूबसूरत हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए. आप खूबसूरत हो दिखने में, आप खूबसूरत हो काम करने में, आप खूबसूरत हो बातें करने में, आप खूबसूरत हो किसी एक हुनर में, आप खूबसूरत हो किसी को खुश रखने में, या आप खूबसूरत हो किसी की गलतियों को सुधारने में, या आप खूबसूरत हो अपने घर परिवार को चलाते हुए सपने देखने में, या आप खूबसूरत हो कि इस दुनिया में मैं अपना नाम कुछ करके जा सकती हूँ. खूबसूरती खूबसूरती है, बट यू मस्ट नो दैट कि yes, I am.
Wonderfully said, ma'am. That's very beautifully said. So, ma'am, let's move on to our second segment. It's Fast and Furious Rapid Fire Round. So, are you ready, ma'am?
Yeah, super excited.
All right. The first question right there is, what is your most happiest and memorable moment in your life?
The most happiest and memorable.
Yes.
The most happiest moment in my life that when it's a little funny. Yeah, when a guy is proposed me in a college and there is a 300 roses,
Wow.
which like, but I was like, oh my God, the happiest thing is happening. And is that, a lot of memories are there, but as such is a rapid fire. So memorable thing is in my life is, yes, I'm very happy and memorable thing is this key. Once my just first hoarding, and that is around 60 hoardings in a city.
Wow.
So my memorable thing, that one.
Beautiful, beautiful, ma'am. That's amazing. So moving on. As a kid, what was your first, career that you have dreamt of?
Yeah, I want to become, because I'm in NCC, so I want to become a shooter, and that's my first dream.
You're already shooting with your superb answers, ma'am.
See, segment change nahi hua hai. Shooter is shooter.
The third rapid fire round. If God grants you just one wish, okay, what would that be?
I want to become that Mr. India, no? I become a Miss India. Not that Miss India,
Exactly,
that invisible.
you are already.
Yeah, I want to become that, hidden Miss India. Yeah. So, and then I just, because I'm a fun loving person, उसके बाद मैंने मजे लेने हैं सबके.
I know, मैं तो सोच के परेशान हूँ क्या क्या करने वाले हो.
The first one is you.
Oh my God, I have to be prepared. I have to get that, that colored thing wherein I can see that it is you in the invisible.
No, but yeah, that not the same that Mr. India wala color. Otherwise, तो पता ही चल जाएगा. That's the thing.
I'll have to start.
Show that boogly bush to you.
Oh, thank you, ma'am, for saying that.
Oh, just imagine, it's so fun. Nobody is going to see you, and you are doing all funny things.
I know. Each answers were just not the answers, ma'am. They were like beautiful. I enjoyed thoroughly. I had amazing jolly ride. They say, right, fir milenge chalte chalte. I don't want to just end this session at all. I don't want to say that also. It was so amazing.
I also want to take your interview, Ritu.
Yes, ma'am, please. I would love to.
So my rapid fire is starting now. Ritu.
Sure, ma'am.
Because I waited for this dazzling girl, and now I'm not going to leave you. So.
Sure, ma'am. I am all game.
So my first rapid fire question for Ritu is that, hey, how many people compliment you every day for your smile? Don't say lie.
Apart from my husband, because he's the only one currently I'm with, एक दो लोग होंगे शायद मैडम.
लाने के लिए ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है.
पता नहीं मैम, मेरी बेटियां तो जरूर, they are happy seeing me happy, so that's the best compliment I ever have.
Add my name also from now onwards.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's a huge compliment coming from you, Mrs. India, Asia Pacific. My God.
No, but you are like beautiful soul from inside outside.
Thank
But
you.
don't give me here and there. I need a second question from you. The second rapid fire for Ritu is that, yeah, so is a love marriage or is a arranged marriage?
It's totally an arranged marriage, ma'am. Blindly.
Don't say me this thing. Your
Seriously,
hubby is gonna be in love with
as I
you.
said, as we when you were saying, right, your dad is your hero, exactly he is mine too. So whoever he chose, I just blindly got married to that guy.
Very nice, very nice. And I hope that that love and affection is always in a boom for both of you.
Thank you
Actually,
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I wish you all the happiness because you're such a jolly, such a mesmerizing person I've ever met. Thank you so much. You're so down to earth in spite of, I was, frankly speaking, I was expecting you to be, on somewhere, okay, I don't know how I have to talk, but you made me feel so much here. And this is the best interview I can actually manage till date.
I'm
Thank you
honored.
so
I'm
much.
honored.
Thank you
But
so much, I would say, for being
thank you so much.
here,
But
for lightening up the whole
exactly, I'm
environment.
waiting for you to meet you. I just want to meet you actually. To be frank, I'm just waiting.
Thank you, ma'am. We will surely meet. I am going to, tag around Santoshji and I'm going to meet you. Thank you, ma'am. So thank you so much for coming on our show, ma'am. It's a huge, huge, huge pleasure. It's a huge honor to have
Thank you.
such a pleasant personality. You have such an amazing aura around you. Thank you so much. I'm saying that I'm the lucky person to be, taking this interview.
Same here. Same here.
And all the
Thank
viewers out there, I am sure when you're going to watch this video, right, this episode, you are going to love it. I just loved it and I don't want to end it, frankly. But unfortunately, we'll have to move on. That's all life is all about. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to love this interview because this is going to be the most amazing interview till date. You are going to have amazing fun watching this video. Thank you so much for joining us. And yes, don't forget to spread your smile.
Yeah.